Okay, we have to add that he added brown sugar on top, right?
Yeah, raw sugar.
Just sprinkled lightly, right?
Mm-hmm.
For what?
You use brown sugar in the natural process when you make a brine. Water, sugar, salt, and you soak the salmon in it. You brine it for a day or so. Depends on how long you want that brine to penetrate. So we don't have time to do that, but a way to do it, because we're using sweet smoke from applewood,
Smoky.
is you use dark, natural, unprocessed sugar.
All right, let's see. Let's see what it looks like.
See that golden color it's getting on top?
Good.
That's the smoke penetrating the top.
And we already ate the tail. We cheated, of course. I ate. I'm gonna make some zucchini. Grill some zucchini. How much longer? How do you know when it's done?
Almost done.
Is it? How do you know? From the color?
Yeah, the color and the way the meat looks towards the middle.
What does it look like? Like getting brown and dry or red?
No, it's just, you can tell by pressing it too with your finger.
It's like more firm. I know, it's humid. So it's like it's humid and smoky.
Do this over here. I want to get smoked.
Hey, go in and eat some salad. To get some salad.